Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall or fully uninstall McAfee in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, let's say for example, you go ahead and go to your start menu, right click, installed apps, and find McAfee right here. Okay, if you can find one such as McAfee LiveSafe, McAfee Web Advisor, or just the standalone McAfee app, well, all you got to do is just click on the three dots and hit on uninstall. Do the same thing for all McAfee related software. Okay, so once that's done, if you want to remove residual files or remove hidden files and registry entries left behind by the standard uninstallation, okay, all you got to do is just open up your search bar or browser, type down mcpr space tool space from the official McAfee website. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and scroll down and find how to remove McAfee from your Windows PC. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and find download the MCPR tool. Click on it. Save it wherever you want. Just wait for the download process to finish. And once done, just click on it to open up the installer. Hit on yes, as there will be a pop-up. And then you can now go ahead and close the browser. And just wait for it. Click on next. Agree. Next. Type down the security test right here, PDQ8. Yours may be different, okay? Just click on next. It says here preparing an installation. So just wait for the process right here to finish. And then once that's done, just go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you uninstall and remove McAfee in Windows 11. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.